Welcome to the NVC tutorial. The NVC, or Natural Ventilation Control, is designed as a curtain timer and controls a heater. This tutorial shows the inside of the NVC and how to wire it. During this installation example, black wire represents the hot line and white wire represents the neutral or line 2. Colored wire comes from the curtain motor or heater. Neutrals from the loads are not connected to the NVC, but rather directly to the electrical panel. Input power is 115 or 230 volts AC. 208 volts AC is also acceptable when using two legs of three-phase power. Connect power to the AC line terminal. Use L for line and use N for neutral or line 2. The power supply will automatically detect the input voltage, so there is no voltage switch to set like the older NVC. To install the curtain motor, connect a hot line to one side of the open and closed terminals. Connect the open and closed directional wires from the curtain motor to the other side of the open and closed terminals on the NVC. A common mistake is assuming the NVC provides power to the curtain motor. Instead, it acts like a switch and makes or breaks the hot line passing through the terminal. The neutral or second line goes directly from the electrical panel to the curtain motor and does not connect to the NVC. If using a heater, connect a hot line to one side of the heat terminal. Connect the other side to the line input of the heater. The neutral or second line goes directly from the electrical panel to the heater and does not connect to the NVC. The three lights labeled L1, L2, and L3 indicate the state of the open, close, and heat relays. It provides an easy way to tell if the relay is working. Install the temperature probe in the temp terminal in any direction since polarity does not matter. There are three terminals on the faceplate: the alarm, the input, and the USB terminals. The alarm terminal is an unpowered dry alarm contact for an external alarm dialer, siren, light, or similar alarm device. It will work with normally open and normally closed alarm systems. The three connections are common connection, CC, closed on alarm, CA, and open on alarm, OA. Consult the user manual for wiring diagrams. The input terminal is for connecting the optional Phason rain sensor. When the sensor detects rainfall, the NVC will close the curtain. Connect the red to plus, green to in, and black and white to minus. The USB terminal is for updating the NVC with a USB memory stick. This allows the user to update the control when new features or fixes are released. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for the NVC and other Phason products on our website.